Marc and I recently wrapped up our new home build, and we're excited to share our kitchen with you today.
Well, the kitchen is at the heart of the home, and honestly, we really wanted to have a gourmet, entertaining kitchen, and we wanted not to just be pretty, but also really functional.
And Canadian Appliance Source made it really easy for this to happen, and I'm in love with our new appliances, like in love.
So the first thing we did is we really wanted to have that neutral color scheme. So we have a beautiful pewter on the island, we have the quartz countertop, we have the glass tops with the whites, and then we really wanted to mix our metals. So you see a lot of golds in the faucet and the hardware, but when it came to the appliances, we wanted stainless steel.
Absolutely. So we started off with the Whirlpool 33-inch wide side-by-side refrigerator. I love this because it's fingerprint resistant, and it's a 21 cubic foot refrigerator. It features a can caddy to building your favorite sodas, frameless glass shelves, and bright LED lighting. It makes it so easy to see, especially in the middle of the night, maybe you're getting up to go get a little late night snack.
So one of my favorite features that we have in this kitchen is an under-counter microwave. First of all, your counter space is such an important part. You know, you only have a certain amount of counter space. You don't want to put the microwave there. And if it's on the uppers, then what happens is the kids, they're always like, Mom, Dad, can I have help? Can I have help? And I'm like, okay, we need to be self-sufficient here. So I love this. This is the KitchenAid 24-inch under-counter microwave oven drawer. Features a drawer design and auto touch open and close, making it simple to use.
Now, I love to cook. I love to bake. I love to entertain. We're very involved. We're teaching our kids to be handy in the kitchen. You're not so bad yourself as well.
I think the kids are progressing a lot more than I am. I'm regressing as I'm getting older.
So something that was really important to me was our oven and range, right? So we went with the KitchenAid 30-inch electric range. It has a steam rack, which is so cool. So making things like cheesecakes, anything that needs a little bit of extra humidity is fantastic. Has radiant elements, an extra large 6.4 cubic foot capacity convection oven, and glass touch controls. It's so sleek. And it even has a self-cleaning feature for when you're done cooking.
The thing is that if your mother-in-law, you know, is coming over and she's cooking in the kitchen, you're going to want good ventilation. Because there's going to be some smoke in there. You want the KitchenAid 30-inch custom hood liner. It features a 3-speed fan and 2 LED lights with a night light setting to help illuminate your cooktop.
Now, our girls are at the age that part of their chores is emptying and filling the dishwasher. And I love the dishwasher that we put into our kitchen. It's the KitchenAid 24-inch dishwasher. It has a noise level of only 38 decibels for a whisper quiet run, high temperature sanitation cycle, and a delay start option, which is really cool. It can delay it up to 24 hours. And the Pro Wash cycle uses high water pressure and a heated water rinse to sanitize the dishes and making them super clean.
So now if only the kids would come with a 38 decibel? I need that.
Noise level?
Yeah, for the kitchen helpers.
For more design ideas, tips, and tricks, visit marcandmandy.com.
That's all the time we have today. We will see you next time on The Marc and Mandy Show.